Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can locate your phone from your TV. It's a Samsung TV and it's a Samsung phone. My phone's already been connected to the TV via SmartThings. So we're going to go to Home. Pretend now this is a few months later and I can't find my phone. I'm going to go over onto the left hand side and I'm going to go down to Connected Devices. I'm going to work my way over to SmartThings. And up the top, I'm going to go to Life. And under Life, you can see that it's got my phone and there's an option to ring my phone. So I'm going to go down to ring my phone and I'm going to hit enter. And right now, my phone's going to start ringing. It just so happens, it's hiding underneath the cushion here. It says TV is trying to find this phone. And there we go, I found my phone now. And now check this out, it's not just in the house it will work, because if I turn off the Wi-Fi and turn off Bluetooth as well, the only thing I've got connected is mobile data, yet it will still work. So turn my phone off and then go to ring here and it will still come through. And that's with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth disconnected, so it's using the cellular network. So it's a useful little feature. Thanks for watching.